He walks outside, he's like, oh, I'm like, hey,
Looking like another Bob Marley day, hitting from the bong like a diesel train, and I'm down with hanging out this afternoon. We got weeds in the backyard, 4 feet tall.